Hey, good morning. It's Tony T here at Smart Motors Toyota Madison. Today, a 2024 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. This is your XSE edition on the Corolla Hatchback. Hey, this one's set up with some really great factory installed accessories that you can add to your Corolla Hatchback here at the dealership, or you can order them. Oh, by the way, this one is for sale here today on August 22nd. I'm guessing it's not going to sit around for long. Let's take a look at some of the add-ons for this particular one. First of all, the paint. This is a really great paint color. Supersonic red. That's $425 extra for this paint color. It's really a great look on this car. Let me know in the comments if you would go with supersonic red. Also, let's take a look at the rail system, the crossbar system. Obviously, that pops out right away. So that's the crossbar system. It can be added to any Corolla hatchbacks, so you can mount your bikes, kayaks, canoes up on top of there. That's going to be a $299 add-on. If you're driving one of these now and you want to add that to it, you can do that right here at this parts department and service department here at Smart Motors on Odana Road in Madison. Now we do have the mudguards down here, integrated right into the wheel wall itself. Really kind of a very small one, but that does a lot to protect the lower bottom body of the car. And you can see you get 4 of those mudguards all the way around, and those are going to come in at a total of $150 installed at the factory. So just a nice way to protect the body of your car. Now up top here, the other thing that really pops out is this rear vented sport wing. So check this thing out. Definitely oversized. It's vented here. It's going to allow air to flow through over the back of it. Doves give it a nice aggressive look. That, coupled with the color to match shark fin antenna, I think really makes this car pop. $375 extra for the sport wing on there, so that looks pretty cool. And then this one has been upgraded with the Blackout Package, the Blackout Emblem package. So blacked out Toyota Corolla XSE here on the deck, all blacked out, and then of course the emblem up on the hood's going to be blacked out as well. So the Blackout Package on this one's $218 when ordered from the factory. And then this one also has the additional rear bumper protection. That's this applique right here on the rear bumper, and that's designed to protect the bumper here against scuffs, scrapes, those types of things. Sits right on top of the bumper, and you can order that either factory, or again you can get it added at the dealership. And that rear bumper protection is going to be $200. I'm sorry, that's included. I'm sorry, my bad. That's actually included in the badge package, the black emblem package, the rear bumper protector for $218. So that's a really good price on that. And then in this box right here, we like to order all of our cars with the all-weather floor liner package for $299. So these are your carpeted floor mats. And then down under here, this is your Corolla trunk mat. So that's going to be included in the all-weather floor mat package. So a really nice package for that. Now the rear gate on here, not a power lift gate. Frankly, it's light enough, you probably don't need it. Some really great features: rear washer wiper, rear window defrost on here. These are all standard features, so you don't pay extra for these huge blacked out smoked alloy wheels. These are awesome. Check this out. So this is an 18-inch wheel and tire on a really small car, so it's going to handle super well at high speeds. That's a 40 series sidewall, and you can see it's reinforced. So this is designed for handling at cornering at high speeds. The downside to those tires is they don't last long because they are a performance rated tire, but they're definitely going to give you better handling at higher speeds and cornering, that type of thing. On top of that, it looks cool with those low profile tires. LED headlights up front, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights down on the lower bumper. Again, all standard features on the XSE Corolla hatchback. And again, this one is available for sale here at Smart Motors Toyota on the lot today. As you can see, I'm out here capturing this one. So if you're in the market for a vehicle like this, get on by here, give us a call right away. This one with all the extras, list price comes in at $29,841, and it's available right away. So call us here at Smart Toyota and then head on over to our website if you'd like to take a look at our other Corolla hatchbacks. This is Tony here at Smart Motors Toyota in Madison. Thanks for watching.